how to enjoy life, spend money, and still cultivate virtue. Stoicism has become a part of popular culture over the last decade. People have realized that living a hedonistic lifestyle, pursuing constant pleasure while avoiding pain, doesn't bring genuine happiness. Hedonism can also be costly. A lavish lifestyle can drain your wealth and leave you feeling empty. Even the ancient Stoics didn't advocate for extreme asceticism. Seneca made this clear in his work on the happy life. The wise man does not believe himself unworthy of fortune's gifts. He does not love wealth, but desires it. He keeps wealth not in his heart, but in his home. And what he owns, he does not reject, but uses, seeing it as an opportunity to practice virtue. Building wealth is a noble goal, but it's important to pursue it for the right reasons. This means not seeking riches for status, fame, or indulgence. Money should not be a source of pleasure, but a tool to lead a virtuous and fulfilling life. Other philosophies also provide valuable insights into wealth and living well without succumbing to mere indulgence. One of these is Epicureanism. By studying various ancient philosophies, we can gain a more holistic understanding of life. A different perspective on freedom and wealth. Epicurus, a philosopher born in Samos, Greece, in 341 BC, sought a middle ground between the rigid Stoic acceptance of fate and the Cynic rejection of material comforts. He disagreed with Plato's idealism and developed his own philosophy, known today as Epicureanism. Epicurus argued that pleasure, when understood correctly, is the ultimate good. However, he warned against seeking immediate gratification, as it often leads to long-term suffering. Instead, he promoted simple joys such as friendship, intellectual growth, and peace of mind. While I personally lean toward Stoicism, which teaches indifference to pleasure, I appreciate the balance Epicurus offers. His ideas remind us that it's possible to enjoy life without losing sight of what truly matters. Epicurus on wealth. In Epicurus and the Pleasant Life, Haris Demetriades explains the philosopher's view of wealth. Epicurus defined wealth as the financial means to satisfy our natural and necessary desires. In contrast, the common notion of wealth is the ability to fulfill all desires. The second point is crucial. Ask anyone with money. They'll tell you that once you achieve certain goals, you eventually return to your baseline level of happiness. This baseline depends on your mindset, not your possessions. Epicurus also said, "A free life cannot acquire great wealth because that task is not easy without becoming a slave to the masses or those in power." While I don't entirely agree that wealth and freedom are incompatible, I do agree that extreme wealth often comes at the cost of true freedom. Balancing life the Epicurean way. I believe we should strive for financial security, not at any cost and not excessively. Having no money leads to misery, but having too much doesn't necessarily lead to a better life. The key is having enough. You don't need billions or even millions to be happy. Extravagant luxury is unnecessary because true happiness lies in your perspective and attitude. However, we can't ignore life's challenges. That's why money is still important. It provides stability and peace of mind. A blend of Stoicism and Epicureanism. Stoicism teaches resilience in the face of hardship, providing a mental framework for navigating life's complexities. It helps us develop a thick skin to endure difficulties. German philosopher Friedrich Nietzsche offered a perspective on balancing Stoicism with Epicureanism in The Gay Science. For those who face a turbulent fate, those who live in times of violence and dependency, Stoicism may be wise counsel. But for anyone whose destiny allows them to weave the thread of life more freely, Epicureanism is the better path. Nietzsche reminds us: 1. Use Stoicism to endure hardships. 2. Build a thick skin for life's challenges. 3. But don't let that skin become too thick. In today's world, resilience is valuable, but we shouldn't abandon life's simple pleasures. A life lived with moderate enjoyment can enhance our well-being and relationships. Practical takeaways. Don't deny yourself simple joys, reading, spending time with loved ones, exercising, or pursuing meaningful hobbies. But don't overindulge either. Balance is key. Your mindset shapes your happiness more than wealth ever will. Still, having financial stability is essential for living a peaceful and meaningful life. So, live with purpose, build wealth with integrity, enjoy life without excess. And always remember to keep both virtue and joy at the heart of everything you do.